poppin'?
Oh, nothing, you know what it is. The boy Cheese holding down for Kamikaze all day, every day, you know what I'm saying? We hustle in the winter, fall, summertime. We're out in the rain, still clocking, you know what it is. 99, still coming off work. Still got the uniform, no holler. We gotta blur that out, you know what I'm saying? Still coming straight from work. You know what it is, a straight hustle and grinding from hustle and grind, you know what I mean? But yo, you know what it is. You fly high.
We fly
you know
high.
what it is. Dipset, don't get mad, you know, we're still doing our thing. Shout out to JR Ryder.
October
Santana,
8th, 06.
you know what it is. It's your boy. Just in case y'all didn't know, you know what I mean? I'm not a typical soccer cat, you know what I'm saying? Cause y'all, most cats don't know that. Straight, mommy born in Toronto, you know, holding down for H-Town, you know what I mean? 152nd Street, St. Nicholas Ave, you know what it is. Holla, your boy. Dipset Bird Gang, you know, putting in that work, no joke. But yeah, sorry ladies, but yo, y'all gotta get yourself, you know what I'm saying? That common candy, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't watch the rips, yo. We gotta fight shorties for this, yo. We're fighting shorties. They're like, yo, we don't got your size. They're like, yo, you gotta got my size, you know what I'm saying? Well, yo, we're doing our thing, you know what I mean? It's your boy Cheese holding down for Kamikaze all day, and signing out, you know what I mean?
That's what we
fly high.
Let me show the shirt. Kamikaze.
You know what I'm
JD
saying?
Era page. We're gonna be here. Big Apple. Cheese and juice.
You know, you dig?
Holla at us.
Signing out.